Hello mga kachika babes! So, kumusta na? Welcome to Marykerj channel! Well, actually, for this time, since Christmas is approaching, so now I'm wearing red t-shirt. That is the Sinolog t-shirt. So now, mag-ano tayo, unboxing. Since it is Christmas, hulaan nyo kung ano to. Tignan nyo, I received this from LBC. Okay. Okay, andito na tayo. I-unbox na natin ito. Kasi ngayon is December, no? Even though we have really a lot of problem right now because of what is happening around the world. But then, it's time to give a sharing to, to each and everyone, especially for our employees, especially to our dearest friend, mga loved ones, mga ganyan, di ba? And then, dapat meron pa rin tayong meron pa rin tayong mga konting generosity, konting konting kembot, or konting yan, i-unbox natin. Yeah, hey. Yan, tatlo palang software niya. 1, 2, 3. And then, meron din ganito. Okay. Even though it is just, the Christmas is around the corner now. It's October, November, December. It's just 2 months now. So, we have to be loving, more giving, more fun. Oh, what is this? Look at that. Okay, yan. Meron pa akong what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. So, from Sodexo. From Sodexo pala, attach. Yan. Yan, to Chona, Cabarrubias. From KerChon tracking. Oh, to Chona. Nilagyan niya ng ganyan. Oh, tingnan mo. Sodexo. Yan. Sodexo. Diba? Meron akong So, ano to mga na to sa Sodexo? Yan. Yes, ito. Yan. How much this one? 1, 2, natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Only 46. No? How much this one? 46 only, but I purchased this So now 46, I received 46. That is from Sodexo because Christmas is coming, so I have to prepare this for gift giving. And you can this Sodexo Premium Pass, you can use this to go to Chowking, Jollibee, Mang Inasal, SM, and all. Ano pa ba? Marami to. SM, what else? Ang dami nito ma-receive. Any outlet of this Pass Premium. See? 100. Yan. Ipamimigay ko to sa sa mga empleyado and other people also na makabenefit nito. Yes. Christmas. Advance Merry Christmas for me. Thank you. And I hope that you will get also your gift pass from Sodexo. Okay. So if you will purchase this Sodexo by hundreds or by 500s, and there's also 1,000. So this is less ng mga viruses about sa kwarta kung imong ihatag, just because it's just in a form of kana gift check lang siya, in a form of papel na you have to give it to your employees or to your friend or to your loved ones, something like that. Even though that we are in the pandemic time or we have a problem around the world, but then we should have still uh, a loving, what else, sharing, no, for our, a simple gift that can offer. Okay, bye bye, thank you.